Hi, today I'll show you how to display your PC's CPU usage on your smartphone screen. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. Let's start by creating a new widget. And let's make it a pinned widget, so it isn't tied to any specific app on your PC. For this tutorial, we'll need a panel. So let's go to that category in the preset list. I talked about panels and their purpose in my previous video. Be sure to check it out. A panel with clonable buttons is perfect for our task. To make everything work, you need to enable the cloneable setting. Select a button on the panel. Then go to Expert. This is where you'll find the setting we need. You can choose one of two options, to have the buttons fill vertically when cloned or horizontally. Let's reduce the size of our buttons so that everything fits inside the panel after cloning. Now you can go back to the navigation bar and select the Caption tool, then Text. First, let's remove the text by tapping Reset to make the plugins available. Now let's assign a plugin. Open the list of plugins. Go to the Hardware Monitoring section. Select CPU Load Monitor and Logical Processor Load Value. Done. One button is turned into 12. Each one shows the load on a specific processor core. We just need to make a few final tweaks to our widget's appearance. Let's resize the panel. Then let's remove the background fill color using the Custom palette, which we covered in the relevant lesson. Now let's increase the spacing between the buttons a bit. To do this, select the first button. Then choose the Padding tool. It controls the spacing from the outer edge of the element. Note that when you change a setting for one button, its value is automatically applied to the cloned buttons. Now let's change the text size by selecting Caption and then Size. All that's left is to rename our widget by tapping on an empty space and then on the name. Done. We can save our widget. Now it will always appear on the navigation bar, since we've pinned it. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.